In this video, we will discuss alignment properties. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file alignmentproperties.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. As with everything in Civil 3D, once you create an object, you can always change its properties afterwards. The Alignment Properties dialog box is where you change stationing, masking, how edits are displayed, and design criteria. Let's go ahead and look at alignment properties. To access the alignment properties, select your alignment, and navigate to the Modify panel and click Alignment Properties. You can change the style and type of alignment right here. You can change the station control. You can also add station equations if you have those in your design. You can also change the stationing, and it will update all the stationing automatically for the labels. If you have any areas in your design where you want to mask out the alignment, you can do so. Click the Add Masking Station right there. We'll go ahead and just select two locations for the station-to-station ranges and click Apply. And you'll notice that the alignment is completely masked through that area. And of course, you can remove it by simply clicking on the Remove Mask Station right there. The Point of Intersection tab is where you tell Civil 3D how you want your grip editing to be used when you're editing curves. Some additional editing toggles are available in the Constraint Editing. And then lastly, in the Design Criteria tab, this is where you define actual design criteria. So if you wanted to use some sort of AASHTO method, you could toggle this on here. You could then browse for the file to navigate to a criteria file. And then you would, of course, click on the AASHTO standard that you're interested in and then apply it to the alignment. You can also check for tangencies between elements, which is a good idea, as well as the design check sets defined in the drawing. To add design speeds, you simply click on this plus sign, and you can just add the design speeds as you need to. Let's say we started at 40 miles an hour, then we can go into here and say at station 12 plus a pair, our speed limit will be 60 miles an hour, and click Apply, and it'll use this when doing super elevation calculations and all that good stuff.